Alright, so just for, like, context, this is, like, my second time playing PUBG Mobile, and, like, I have no idea what I'm doing up to, like, 10 kills. The rest of my teammates are dead. So this is, pretty great. Is that somebody? No, that's just part of the rock. Shit. Oh yeah, you're into this, like, freaking play zone now. Because they're gonna fucking kill me. The game's gonna fucking kill me. Oh no. Alright, I'm safe. But still, I need to find people. Like, I went over there. Like, I kind of left the direction that I needed to go help a fucking teammate. And then, look where that got me. Absolutely nowhere. And I'm, like, really paranoid right now. Oh, God. I can do this. I believe it myself. Let's go. I don't know why I have to have two freaking firing things. Doesn't make any damn sense to me. Oh, you know what? I know why. Never mind. Makes sense now. I think somebody might be in that tower. And if they are, well, I'm ready. Come at me, bro. Alright, nobody's in that tower. I'm gonna take the tower. I'm gonna take that tower. Fuck yeah, I'm gonna take the tower. I don't care. I'm not good at this. There we go. Okay. Come on. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Zoom in on this shit. Ooh, there's a person. If I can hit him. No, I can't hit him. Oh, I can't hit him. They're running away. Are they running that way? No, I'm on the outskirts. I gotta go over there. Alright, I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna follow that person. Let's go follow them. I have no idea who they are. Like, I have no idea where anybody is. Zigzag patterns. Helps keep you alive. Ooh, alright, here we go. Ooh, they're trying to get over there. Ooh, or they see me. One of the two is happening. Ooh, they're fighting, that's why. Ooh, killed, bitch! I think that person got killed too. I'm gonna slowly get up in there. Oop! Oh! People. What? That's so freaking awesome! What? I am victorious! Woo! That's cool! That was cool! Fuck yeah! Holy shit! Oh, that was awesome! I didn't even know what I was doing! Woo! Da-da-da-da-da. That's awesome! That was awesome! Fuck! Out of 100 people! Fuck yeah! Holy shit! That was awesome. That was awesome. What? I only killed like 13 people. Oh, that's so freaking cool. That's cool.